Hi, Ed. That's a big snowball you're making. You too, Billy. Are you making something? Aha! It's a snowman. Great job, guys. Nice hat, Charlie. That looks great. The perfect way to spend a snowy day. What's that, Ed? You want to build a luge course? That'll take a lot of work, but it'll be fun. Uh-oh. Looks like someone is stuck in the snow. Maybe you guys should help. Let's start by unloading these pieces of the luge track. Great teamwork, guys. Let's move these pieces to the construction site. There are lots of pieces of track that need to be assembled. Good job! It's so much better when we work together. Whoa! Better watch out! That was close! There it is. The last piece is in place. Ready to play? Billy is first. Hang on tight, Billy. Wow! This is fun! Now it's Ed's turn. Woohoo! Here we go! And finally, it's Charlie's turn to ride. Wow! It goes really, really fast, huh? Phew! That was a blast! Now it's time to open presents. Merry Christmas, everyone! See you next. What a fun time to be at the amusement park. Hi, Charlie the Crane. Ed the excavator, Billy the bulldozer. What's that, Ed? You want to build a new ride? That sounds like a great idea. Let's get started. Look, the base is already in place. We just need to find all the pieces and connect them. Good job, Ed. You found something. You too, Billy. Great work. You guys take the pieces to Charlie, and he will put them all together. What's that, Ed? These cups are too big for you to move by yourself? Billy, can you help Ed? Great teamwork, guys. That will get the job done. Want to have some fun with these two cups? Let's see which one of you can move them to Charlie the fastest. The winner gets candy. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Way to go, Billy! You're the winner! We're almost finished. Just a few more cups to find. Good job, Billy. Ed, what are you doing? No, it's not time to ride the roller coaster. That's more like it. Help Charlie with the last two cups. Now the ride is finished. But where is Ed now? There he is. Looks like he's sneaking in a bite of cupcake. Look, the frosting is all over his bucket and his face. Time for fun, friends. Let's ride the new teacup ride. Whee! This is fun! It goes up and down and round and round. See you next time, friends.
Hi, Dino. How are you? Dino, would you like to ride a roller coaster today and learn shapes? Great! Then 1, 2, 3, let's go! Circle. Square. Triangle. Diamond. Rectangle. star. That was very fun, Dino. We learned so many shapes. Let's sum up. Circle, square, triangle, diamond, rectangle, star. Dino, would you like to make an extra ride and learn numbers? Fantastic! Let's go! One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. That was so fun, Dino, and we learned so many numbers. Let's sum up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See you soon, my friends.